Hello everyone, we are the Mavericks, and in today's video assignment, we will be discussing an ethical dilemma that happened at a Tim Hortons location where both Niral and I work at. In our ethical scenario, we have decided to replace the names of the individuals to maintain their privacy. We have two main characters. The first one is the manager at the Tim Hortons location, whose name is Priya, and the other is the employee, whose name is Alex. Alex is well liked within the team and has been working at this location for quite some time. Priya has noticed some behaviors in Alex that raise some ethical concerns. She sees that Alex has been handing out some free food items to select customers who have been going to that location for quite some time. Alex believes that this will help build a good store reputation, as these customers will more likely than not leave a good review for that location. However, Priya is concerned. From her perspective, this could lead to a significant loss in revenue for the business, and if it is not reprimanded, it could lead to other employees feeling as if they could do the same thing and get away with it. Now, Priya faces a tough choice. She could choose to ignore Alex's actions, which would maintain team harmony but might lead to further breaches of policy. Alternatively, she could choose to report Alex's actions to higher management, which would most likely than not lead to a disciplinary action taken against him. This could have a negative impact on the team morale. As stated earlier, Alex is a very famous employee amongst the team and is very liked as well. In this scenario, Priya is in an ethical dilemma between maintaining company policies or considering a good team morale and team dynamics.
Now, let's dive deeper into the motivations and ethical conflict involved in this case. First, let's consider Alex's motivations. Alex genuinely believes he is doing something positive for the business by offering small extras to regular customers. From his perspective, this is a harmless way to foster loyalty and ensure customers feel valued. In his mind, the positive reviews and repeated visits from these customers justify his actions. Alex doesn't view this as giving away free stuff, but rather as a customer service strategy that's helping the store. However, the issue here is that his actions create inconsistency. By giving special treatment to certain customers, Alex is unintentionally showing favoritism, which goes against the principles of fairness that Tim Hortons uploaded. Then there's Priya's perspective. She understands Alex's intention to boost customer satisfaction, but as a manager, she is responsible for upholding company's policy and ensuring that all team members act within the guidelines. Priya is aware that if this behavior is overlooked, if it could encourage other employees to do the same thing and it would put the company in the trouble in the longer run. Priya's challenge lies in balancing her duty to enforce rules with the need to maintain a positive team environment and avoid demotivating her staff. Thank you.
Next, let's talk about how Priya decides to handle the situation and the specific actions she takes. Instead of going straight to higher management, Priya decides to address the situation at the team level first. She schedules a one on one conversation with Alex to discuss his actions. In this discussion, Priya calmly explains why giving out free items without authorization is a concern. She points out the potential impact on revenue and emphasizes the importance of following company policies. Priya also highlights the fairness aspects, how giving the free items to select customers can create a sense of favoritism, which is not aligned with Tim Hortons' values. Priya also proposes a solution that allows Alex to channel his customer loyalty efforts within the boundaries of company policy. She suggests brainstorming a loyalty program or a rewards system that could recognize and reward frequent customers in a way that's official and policy compliant. So, by involving Alex in this brainstorming process, she makes him feel valued and lets him contribute positively without bending the values. To ensure consistency across the team, Priya decides to hold a short team meeting to clarify the company's policies on giveaways and reinforce the importance of ethical behavior in a workplace. This helps prevent similar issues from arising and shows that Priya is committed to transparency and ethical standards.
Let's look at the outcome of Priya action and the lesson learned from this scenario. After their conversation, Alex understands the impact of his action and agrees to stop giving free items without authorization. He appreciated that Priya approached the situation constructively and respected his intention. Instead of feeling reprimanded, Alex feels valued and is eager to contribute to team's new idea about customer loyalty. The overall team morale also benefits. Priya's approach shows her commitment to fairness and ethics, which strengthens the team's sense of integrity. By not resorting the disciplinary measure right away, she sets an example that rule can be enforced in a positive way without alienating the team members. Other employees see that the policies are important but are also reassured that management values respectful communication and open-minded solution. Finally, Priya's proposal for a customer loyalty program sparks interest with the store manager, who agreed to present the idea to the regional office. This scenario demonstrates that ethical problems can be opportunities for constructive change when handled thoughtfully. It teaches us that open communication, empathy, and creative problem solving are key to upholding ethics in the workplace.